Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoho Expense for mileage tracking and approvals, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Zoho Expense for mileage tracking and approvals, first, log into your Zoho Expense account. Navigate to the Settings option, typically found in the upper right corner. Once in Settings, look for the Preferences tab and click on it. In the Preferences section, locate the Expense options. Select mileage from the drop-down menu to access mileage settings. Enable the mileage tracking feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, configure the distance calculation method that suits your needs. You can choose between miles or kilometers based on your location. Now, set up the reimbursement rates for mileage. Enter the amount per mile or kilometer as per your organization's policy. After setting the rates, scroll down to the approval settings. Here, decide whether mileage entries require approval before reimbursement. Enable the approval process by toggling the respective option to on. Customize the approval workflow if needed, ensuring it aligns with your company's hierarchy. Once all settings are configured to your preference, click the Save button to apply changes. Now, navigate to the Expenses section to start tracking mileage. Click on the Add Expense button and select mileage as the expense type. Enter the necessary details such as date, distance, and purpose of the trip. Submit your mileage entry for approval if that option is enabled. Monitor the status of your submissions under the Pending Approval section. You have now successfully enabled and configured mileage tracking and approvals in Zoho Expense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.